Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 43 AMG 4MATIC. This one is a Dakota Brown metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter twin-turbo V6 pushing out 362 horsepower and 382 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels, we've got 20-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Illuminated running boards. Bi-turbo 4MATIC badging. An espresso brown ginger beige MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Plenty of space in the back. Coming around back, you've got a trailer hitch. AMG GLE 43 badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Harman Kardon sound system, a brown eucalyptus wood trim, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our brown eucalyptus and leather steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Navigation. This one also comes with the lane tracking package, which is going to give you a lane keeping assist and blind spot assist. Navigation. Also included is our parking assistance package, which is going to give you a parking pilot and a surround view backup camera with parking sensors. Hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders. We've got our touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE 43 has 42,440 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view photos of this GLE 43 AMG, check out feldmanimports.com.